for a big adventure!
Let's go, go, go on a big world adventure. Let's go, 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 explore with Thomas and his friends. Let's go, 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 and meet new friendly faces. The world's just a train ride away.
Here's James!
James? What happened to your shiny red paint?
You look like Thomas.
Hey? I'm blue! Oh no! Nobody thinks blue engines are splendid!
Gordon's come down with boiler rake. Could you please take the express for him, James?
Not in this colour! What would everyone say?
It doesn't matter what colour paint you have, James. It's what you do to be really useful that matters.
Here's James!
James, is that you?
You look like me.
I'm green! Oh, this is terrible.
At least you're back on the rails again, James. And just in time, too. Henry's been delayed. The Fat Controller wants you to take his heavy goods train.
Here's James!
Ah, James, I'm so glad the Fat Controller let us borrow you while Spencer is on loan.
Oh, I see you've gotten your silver paint polished. Very smart.
Silver? Oh, yes! This is what I call looking splendid!